All right, y'all. We are making fried burritos tonight, and these are traditional tortillas that you cook, and they're Tortilla Land brand. So I've never done these before. We're gonna see how well it works out, y'all. It's our cast iron skillet, and our oil is heated up, and I hope I don't have it too hot, but we're gonna try this out. Put this whole onion. I think I'm just going to do this half right here. Alright, y'all, now we're going to do our green pepper. I put all this out on my compost. All right, now to our peppers and onion, we are going to add a can of well-drained, and I mean very well-drained, Rotel diced tomatoes and green chilies. And you can see I drained mine very, very well. That's why it's not wanting to come out of there. And we're going to just mix this in. And just let that saute together. Our sausage out and reserved it, and now what we're going to do is some hamburger, or not hamburger, ground beef. Where's my knife? I've lost my knife. Oh. So, depending on your family size, you know, you can make this a bigger recipe, or you can make it littler, or whatever you need to do. So we are going to brown up. Now we are going to add some taco seasoning into the ground beef. And we are going to add some smoked onion. And we are also going to add some Better Goods hot honey seasoning. All right, y'all. Now, all that wonderful, nice, good food we cooked, here's what we are going to do. We got our bowl. All right, we're going to take our sausage. Let me aim y'all up some. So we're going to take our sausage, drop in our hamburger, and we are going to mix those up really well together before we add anything else. Okay. Now we're going to add our Rotel and our onions and our peppers. I feel like I made too much, y'all, because there's only 4 of us. We're going to mix that up. Now we're going to take a can of refried beans. All right, now I'm going to take some of our red sauce and pour in here a half a can of red sauce. That's a lot, y'all. Oh, so good. My daughter's probably sitting over there thinking, let me come have a bite. I just used the whole can, y'all. Let me come have a bite. I want a bite. Man, y'all, that's some good stuff right there. All right, now we're going to take some of our 4-cheese Mexican blend, and we're going to put, I don't know, that was probably a cup, and one and 1/4 cup of cheese. All right, let me get out of the way so that she can come taste it and stir it. All right, y'all. All right, y'all, now what we're going to do is we're going to fill these with the filling that we just created. So we're going to put a dollop right in the middle of our cooked tortilla. And I have never been good at making burritos, y'all. I'm just going to tell you. I've never been good at it. So forgive me. I'll do the best I can. So then we're going to fold this end like this. You know what? I think you do it like this. You fold this in first. Y'all tell me. Is that right? And then you fold this in. And then you bring this in. Yeah, I got it, y'all. I figured it out. It only took me 40 years. Alright, and we're going to just make these burritos. Just like so. And I'm just going to lay them on this pan. Alright, so while I've been folding those up, which I still got to fold some more up. Somebody else could do it. But I have been letting my oil over here heat up. So, I'm going to drop these on in here. Hopefully that's not overcrowded. Yeah, that's good, like that. And we're going to fry those up, y'all.